Hey trainers, we've launched our brand new gorgeous landing pages, and I'm going to quickly walk you through how to set them up and what all you can do with them. Our goal at WeStrive is to not only let you run your business, but also help you grow it. A huge piece of that is the landing pages, aka your website. So we've added a quick access button to your top navigation. Just push Edit Page to get started. The top toggle will allow you to turn the page on and off, and then you can now add your own logo to the top of the page. A lot of you have been asking about custom branding, and this is our first step towards that direction. Below that, you can add a welcome video, location, experience, bio, and then any of your certifications. Simply type in a cert and then hit enter. On the right, we have two links. The top link is the link to your landing page, and you can click this button to get there, or you can click from your profile picture. Then the second link is your sign up link. This is a link to bypass your landing page and onboarding questions, and just have your clients apply directly to you and instantly to become a client. And below that, we have the promo code. If any trainer signs up with your code and pays for a premium account with WeStrive, we'll send you $25 and we'll give them $25 off their subscription. In the new contact section, you can add your phone number, email, website link if you have one, and the links to your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The pricing section is incredible. Based on your requests, you can now add not only multiple plans, but you can also add individual tiers within each plan. I'll call this weight loss plan. Say it's $300 for 3 months, $500 for 6 months, and then just $800 for an entire year. What a steal. Then I'll add some highlights to it that are broken down with each bullet point. Finally, I'll add a full description. And boom. Here's what it looks like from the landing page. Super easy for potential clients to follow. And on the last page here, we have testimonials. You can add quotes from your clients, plus before and after photos and testimonial videos. For example, there's my weight loss journey from when I used WeStrive, and then I added a video testimonial as well. Simply click Add Testimonial, put your client's name, title, quote, their photo, and then you have the option to add photos and videos. And voila! You have your beautiful landing page complete with your logo, links, bio, and more. If clients want to train with you, they can see your pricing packages, view your testimonials, and click Apply to Train. Once they apply, they'll fill out a series of onboarding questions that you can add from the Client Questions section in your Clients tab. Simply add any questions you like. For example, what's your favorite exercise? Where do you train? And anything else you'd like to put in there. Once they fill them out, you'll see them appear in your pending section, and you can approve them as a client from there. Enjoy this amazing new feature, and don't forget to keep striving.